Hello everyone, and welcome to another development update for Shadow Heroes Avengers in Flames, where you get the behind-the-scenes access to all the things we are currently working on the game. So, three things. First of all, yesterday was a bit of a shorter day for us. Usually we work till about 7, but we left at 5 because this is the last week that we are all going to be here. So we went down to the Toronto Christmas Festival at the Brewery District in downtown Toronto. And basically, there's all kinds of different things you can go there. There's caroling and concerts and really good coffee. You can try some mulled wine and all kinds of different things that are kind of festive. So since this is the last time that we were all going to be here before the holidays, we figured we might as well go and do something. We left at 5 instead of 7 to go there, and we kind of hung out and talked to people and tried all these different things, and it was a great time. But we also got other stuff done. So that's number 2. So number 2, we got a lot of the status effect stuff and code actually implemented. So right now the chanter can actually run out, she'll start chanting, and everything works absolutely perfectly. It ties together, no problem at all. I wanted to show you this, but apparently I did the wrong build, and I don't really have the time to just kind of do another build because it takes a little bit to do a proper build. But essentially she goes out, she starts her chanting, and everything works fine. Right now it's a 3-second buff duration, and it kind of stacks because every second or so she puts another buff on you, and the animation lasts for a little under a second. So she'll actually put four buffs of Invocation on every unit, so she's like everyone in the area is getting plus 4 defense, and it kind of tapers off over time. That's might stay, that might not. It's a cool little side effect of what we did, but it's going to require a lot of testing and balancing. One thing that still needs to be done with it, though, is we need to do some better kind of cleaning up of it afterwards. Because we have timers that are not thread safe at the moment, what we need to do is we need to make sure that when we destroy the object, we're also destroying the timer itself. Otherwise, or for every one of the status effects that belong to that unit. Otherwise, when the timer fires, if that unit's gone, sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, because that object may have been deleted or may not have been deleted, then that means it might get a null reference and access violation error. So we can't actually, we got to just clean it up a little bit better than we are, because right now we're just kind of saying, handle yourself and don't worry about it. But we need to go in and make sure that all those status effects are all cleared and removed when the unit dies as well. So that's a little piece of cleaning up work. And then the Chanter's buff is basically done. I want to rework the particle effect a little bit because it's not, well, good. There's too much going on at the screen. It's a little too bright. There's too much. It's overwhelming. It's basically all you can see. So we're gonna rework that a little bit as well, so it looks better, as well as having an intro and exit as parts of the animation state machine. So that's the second thing. And then the third thing is today is also going to be a short day, at least for me, because I am going to the Sheridan Program Advisory Council meeting. We sit there and we talk to the different people at the colleges around the area. So Sheridan and RCC are two of the ones that we are working with, and we tell them this is what we're looking for, how can we help. We talk about internships and what students should know in order to be able to work with us, and we also talk about how we can work with the school, so we could be doing like guest talks, really coming in and saying this is the types of things that we are looking for, or this is what it's like in the industry, getting involved in the community and just helping students as like they're there to learn, and there's no better person to be able to show you exactly how things are than somebody in the industry, and they come in and say this is how things are. So we're trying to do that and kind of help educate all the different people who want to get into the industry, and this is one of the ways that we're doing it, making sure that the curriculum that they are trying to learn is relevant inside the industry. So that's my update for today and kind of the things that we're working on, and I'll be able to tell you guys more tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to show you exactly what's going on with the chanter and some new stuff that we're creating as well. Maybe I'll have a different buff, and maybe I'll be able to have the Exorcist debuffing it, and things will be going on back and forth. Good things overall, hopefully anyway. And that's kind of where we stand. So hopefully it's all good. Yeah. So thanks for checking us out. We're going to keep doing more updates and stuff on Steam, and we'll keep doing lots of updates on Facebook. So come follow us and favorite us, give us a rating, thumbs up on Steam. Always appreciated. All the links for all of our different social media sites and all the different places where you can find out more information about us are in the description below. So come see all the different crazy things that we're doing. And until next time, talk to you later. Bye.